What's going on, everybody? Got another hard reset for you today. Today we're going to do the HotPepper Cascabel. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot, you got to do a hard reset on it, then show you how to do this. As always, when you guys do a hard reset, just remember you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on the phone, it will be deleted, so just keep that in mind. So let's get right into it. The first thing we got to do is turn off the phone and power that off. You have your power button right there and your volume up and volume down right there. So once the phone's off, we're gonna hold the volume up button, which is right there, and the power button at the same time. So let's hold volume up, hit power, keep holding the power button until the phone turns on. Oh, I should say it goes right to it. And then once you let go, the volume up is to navigate and the volume down is to select. So we'll navigate to recovery, hit volume down. And then it should load into no command. There we go. So we got the no command screen. To get out of this and get to the actual reset, you want to hit power and volume up at the same time. Usually you can just hold power, then hit tap volume up. Just let go right away because you don't want to accidentally hit power to confirm or reboot and you have to start all over again. So let's get down to wipe data factory reset. Hit power button. Volume button's navigate and the power button selects, and then confirm it again. Now it's deleting. And now we can just hit reboot system now. If you guys found this helpful, if you guys could like, share, subscribe, I appreciate all that. We'll be posting a ton more different phones for hard resets and teardowns. So keep an eye on that. And otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.